everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. How are you doing today? I hope you're well. I hope your weather's nice where you are. It's beautiful today and yesterday. Yeah, so I'm just kind of getting over an incident. I was in the washroom, I had a shower, I was at the sink drawing on my eyebrows because if I don't, I look like a seal. Anyway, something dropped right in front of me. I thought it was a spider. I don't like spiders, but they really don't terrify me. So I looked and I saw this centipede. Oh my gosh. How do you guys feel about centipedes? Oh my gosh. All those legs. Oh, I hate them. I know, I think they're harmless. But anyway, it went on the counter around where I have the toothpastes, and it went past where I have, you know, my, I don't wear makeup, but my whatever, brushes and things like that. And then it went in a crack between the wall and the vanity. And I'm like, oh my God. So anyway, finished my eyebrows, started drying my hair. And then my little Minnie, my little cat, she comes and sits outside the bathroom door. And she's looking over towards the bathtub. And I'm like, you sense that thing in here, don't you? And I turned to look, and there it was. It was right by the bathtub. Started to crawl up the wall, and then it came back down. And so I grabbed, and I've done this before, grabbed some toilet paper, went to grab the thing, and it starts crawling on the outside of the toilet paper, like, oh my God, all those legs, and I was just screaming. And I screamed last time I had to do that was one. And anyway, I was screaming, and I thought, oh my gosh. So I got it, but I wasn't sure if I had it. And I'm looking around on my hand to see, is it there? Is it there? Where is it? Ah! So then I went out, opened the back door, and I just opened up the toilet paper and just shook it, and the thing went flying out, and it ran. All those legs. Oh my gosh. But I was screaming so loud, like I was being murdered or something. And oh my gosh, what if my neighbor heard me and she calls the cops? How am I going to explain it to the cops? Well, I saw a centipede. Anyway, I'm still like, I feel, oh, my skin feels like it's crawling. All right, so I thought I'd share that with you. Oh my gosh, how do you guys feel about centipedes? Oh, I hate them. Okay, so let's talk about some patterns. All right, so I remember I showed you this. I think I still have the picture. If I do, it's up here right now. Of the It's a Wrap, the two different cakes that I had doubled up and wound together, and made this one. If I have the picture of the completed one, it should be here right now, and started working with it right away because I wanted to see how it worked out. So anyway, oh, that centipede. It's all those legs, you know, and they go so fast, and they got these antennas that are always going, and okay, sorry. So I used up the whole thing except for this little tiny amount. This is the bottom colors. So I'll show you the top in a second. I cannot hang on to those little balls. Okay. Anyway. Okay, so I'll tell you, I used, I started with a 4.5 millimeter hook, and I ended up with a 6 millimeter by the time I got to the bottom. Now I'll explain that more because there's going to be a tutorial, but I'm using a different yarn for the tutorial. But it's exactly the same design. That tutorial I hope to have up next week. I can't get over that centipede. So anyway, look at the top. Look at the top. Oh, I need to maybe block it. I don't know what I got to do with it. I mean, it's supposed to run straight down. Anyway, this is the top. This is how it turned out with those colors. So what do you guys think? Your honest opinion. What do you guys think? What do you think of the stitch design? And what do you think of the colorway of how it turned out? I'm wearing a skirt because it's so hot. But yeah, what do you guys think? Yeah. So I'm just sweating here. So that is it for that. And also I had showed you my progress on Crystal at the Yarny Chicken and Crazy Cat Lady channel for the roundabout ruffle circular shawl. This is hers. And she has a tutorial on her channel. And then she's got some further instructions in her description box for the last rows of it. It's repeat rows, I guess. But I was having, well, when I was working on it, I had showed you guys, and it was kind of wavy. The last row I did was wavy. So Crystal said it's supposed to be, because hence ruffle. I'm like, oh. So anyway, so I did more on it, and I'll show you my progress. Oh, she also has this pattern for sale in her Ravelry shop, which will be linked, I believe, linked under the video, under her tutorial video, I believe. So, yeah, so I made progress. I'm going to link her tutorial below. Okay, I made progress. And let me see, which way does this go? I think this is the front. So here it is. Let me stand up. So here it is. And it's still roughly, because I guess it's supposed to be. Look at all those stitches. I think the stitches look so good together. What do you guys think? And I just have row 10 marked. That's why I have that stitch marker there. Just because, just for me to keep track of where I was. Yeah. So, yeah, I think it's so beautiful. I have some more rows to do, some more repeats. If I want to make it longer, which I might do, let me just put it on. I know it's not gonna go with my top. But, whoop, grab the yarn here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make more rows, I think. Unless I just want it as a shawlette, or shoulder warmer, or whatever. Or I guess I can go like that at this stage. Yeah, maybe. Anyway, I just think it's turning out really nice. What do you guys think? And when I had first shown it on my channel, when I had first started working it, someone, I forget the name, I'm so sorry, but you posted it, yours, in my Facebook group and said that I inspired you to make it, and that's awesome. But I mean, you made it so fast, and here I am, still far behind. But yours is beautiful. So if you guys aren't a member of the Facebook group, I would love for you to join. If you don't have Facebook, don't even worry about it. But yeah, It's an awesome group of people we have there, and you guys can show anything yarny related, anything. I made a big list just yesterday, I think, and put it on there of things you can post, yarny jokes. I added that today. But yeah, anything yarny, knitting, crochet. I don't knit, but I love looking at your knit. So anyway, that's Crystal the Yarny Chicken and Crazy Cat Lady's shawl. It's beautiful. And the yarn I'm using, I mentioned it before in the video. It's this, it's Loops and Threads. This was a limited time only. It's Eco-Com Stripes made from recycled plastic. 200 grams, 433 yards. I bought 3 at the time because they had 3 at Michael's, and I bought them all. So this is the first skein. So I have this much left, but I'm gonna make it longer, I think. And so I'll be getting into the next skein. But this is 60% recycled polyester, 15% polyester, 15% acrylic, and 10% wool. And the color is rose gray. So it's got a couple of shades, few shades of the rose color, and some gray. Show me the gray right here. So because it was limited time only, well, I haven't seen it in Michael's again, so I don't know, but it's really nice to work with. Oh, suggested hook was a 5.5, and I'm actually using a 6 to make it more flowy. And there was something else I was gonna say. Well, I don't think they have it anymore, but who knows? If you do want it, it is good. It was nice to work with, and it does have wool in it, but if you make a mistake and you need to frog, it is difficult to frog. Yeah, that's when you gotta get your patience working. Yeah, but I know some people go on eBay and they find yarns, all kinds of yarn on there apparently, and some pretty good prices and that. So, and maybe some of this discontinued yarn or whatever. I don't know. I was gonna go on eBay yesterday actually to just see what they have on there, and I did not do it. I didn't have time. All right. So let's see. I think today's Thursday. Tomorrow there'll be a giveaway. Watch for that video. Yeah, a giveaway tomorrow. And yes, there'll be yarn and something else. So watch for that. And of course we have the Christmas in July Fairies giveaway going on. And yeah, I think that's it. I think that's all I need to tell you today. Yeah, so let me know what you think of this top. What about the design? Do you like the design? It's a one piece. And what do you think of this colorway, how it turned out? And what do you think of Crystal's shawl? Yeah, all right, so that's it. I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.